So let's do that, then we can move on to the next step. In order to keep the viewer engaged and on their toes, it's good to add a timer. So head back over to the Elements tab and search for timer and just pick a clock that looks good. It doesn't really matter too much. We obviously want some kind of ticking sound, and I didn't actually like the ones that Canva offers, so I went ahead and put a great ticking sound along some really useful famous sound effects for TikTok automation in a Google Drive folder. I'm giving it away for free, you can get it in the description. So just either upload one of the sound effects from the folder or choose some in Canva. Make sure the timing is also completely synced. I also always add this ding kind of sound when the answer gets revealed.